If you have been struggling with your oily skin, you don't know what product to use that will help your makeup to last all day, this video is definitely for you. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, you're welcome. My name is Benezet, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you all for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the product that is very good for oily skin. If you have oily skin during this summer period and you are scared that your makeup will get ruined because your skin is oily, or if you are looking for a product that will hold your makeup all day during this summer period, this video is for you. I have my bare face, there is nothing on my face. I'm going to move on to moisturize my face. First thing, you moisturize your face, very important. And I'm using the Pond's moisturizer just to moisturize my face. After moisturizing the face, the next thing is to apply your primer, and this is where we are going to get into that real deal. And today I'll be showing you this product right here. This is the Milk of Magnesia. Actually, it's not like a makeup product, but this here is the balm. If you feel like you are the leader in terms of oily skin, use this and you will love it. Your makeup will last all day. If you have dry skin, I will not advise you to use it. I'll move on to apply the primer on my face. Shake it. I'll be using a sponge like this one to apply it on my face. If you are somebody who gets oily around the T-zones only, you apply it just around the T-zone. And when you apply it, you let it sit for some seconds to get dry. After applying the primer and sitting for some seconds for it to get dry, this is how it's looking like. I'm going to move ahead and apply my foundation. And for foundation, I'll be using the Milani 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Chestnut. I'll be going in with the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to highlight my face. Now that everything is nicely blended, I'm going to move on to contour my face. So I'll be going in with this compact powder from LA Colors to set the highlighted areas. Now I'll be going in with this other powder from Arke by Kiss to set the rest of my face. Now I'm going in with my banana setting powder to further set the highlighted areas. Now I'll just go ahead and do my eyebrows. For eyeshadow, I'll be going in with this shade, this and this. Now I'll be going in with this shade. Be going back with this shade to blend the edges. To spray my face, I will be using the Rimmel Stay Matte Setting Spray. For my highlight, I will be using the Wet n Wild Loose Highlight. So guys, this is the completed look. Okay, let's get back to our primer. If you are very oily and you think there's no solution, get this. This is the solution to your oily skin. But don't use it on daily basis. Use it occasionally. If you are going for a party, a wedding, or any occasion that you want your makeup to last all day, get this and you will love it. Milk of Magnesia is very good. Like right now, I know my makeup is sealed. Everything is bomb. It's not going to move, and I will go out very confident. This will hold your makeup all day. Sweetie, get this and you will love it. One thing I would like to say about it is that it's not good for an everyday makeup. Like if you are doing your makeup every day, I would not advise you to use this because it's very acidic, and if you use it continuously, like on daily basis, it might affect your skin. Yeah, sweeties, that will be all for today's video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell beside it so that you always be notified each time I upload a new video. Please, if you have ever used this Milk of Magnesia, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And that will be all for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.